Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Mac for remote access. Confirm you have an admin account and latest Mac OS updates because compatibility matters. Open System Settings, go to Sharing, then enable Screen Sharing or Remote Management. Choose based on whether you need full admin control. Add specific user accounts and set a strong login or VNC password. Once done, make sure the Mac's firewall allows incoming connections for screen sharing, so the next steps can reach the machine. Next, configure networking and harden security so remote sessions are reliable and safe. Find the Mac's local IP and network settings, then set a static DHCP lease or static IP so the address won't change. If you need internet access, configure your router to forward TCP port 5900 for VNC, or better, set up a VPN to avoid exposing ports. Also, restrict access to specific users, use strong passwords, and consider tunneling VNC over SSH for encryption. These steps reduce the risk of unauthorized access. Finally, connect and verify the setup. From another Mac use finder right arrow connect to server and enter VNC, / followed by the host IP, or use a VNC client on other platforms. Test the connection on the same LAN first to confirm credentials and screen sharing work, then test over your VPN or forwarded port. If the connection fails, check the Mac firewall settings, confirm router port forwarding or VPN status, and verify the sharing user has permission. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot both ends after config changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.